we have fully implemented the requirement that we should minimize people congesting in one place for one reason or the other by ensuring that only essential meetings are conducted, and also that the schools, the day schools that were supposed to close from today, we are fully compliant. They are closed, and the boarding schools will close by Wednesday, and the tertiary and universities will close by Friday. Also, all kind of meetings, may it be political, religious, education or what have you, all of those meetings have been put on hold, just to ensure that we are keeping to the directives of the national directives regarding control of the spread of the virus. We shall also. I also wish to appeal to our open-air traders, especially people who are selling their wares in the open in our markets, like Kakoromone market and many other markets across the county. We also require you to follow the basic hygiene requirements, that you should provide a facility for the customers to clean their hands thoroughly before engaging on the business of buying and selling of foodstuffs. I also wish to appeal to our transport SACCOs and those doing the transport business. We also wish that we wish to see more of you are conforming by ensuring that the passengers who get into the vehicles are able to at least sanitize, if not thoroughly wash their hands. And also your vehicles should be thoroughly washed, just to minimize the spread of the virus. I also wish to appeal to the vendors, food vendors. We have agreed with the county government that we shall close all the food vendors in our streets, and also on those who are engaged on items that are eaten. We should also ensure that we close those that we don't need at the moment. We shall have them closed. The other places of concern are the nightclubs and the shopping malls, as well as the supermarkets. We also wish to, I also wish to inform people that we shall not hesitate to close any premise that we find endangering the lives of our people within Meru. We shall be assessing on case-to-case basis, and where we find the health of our people in Meru is at stake, we shall issue the necessary ban to ensure that our people are safe from the spread of the virus.
Kwenda kuwa Meru County yonde turindwene ya corona murimo ya coronavirus na ipo ntutuka narua tushemeni ikundi bithatu, ikundi kia national government, ikundi kia county government na ikundi kia our development partners, nikenda twinde twaria njira mwanya ya corona murimo ya coronavirus. So mucemani wetu tukwaria mantu ya implement ya yonde president auwite, na tukwaria mantu ya uratwithuranirite corona murimo yu na nto thirikari Meru County ni setete assigned 2 wards kere sibitari chele na tumba kutritaje bau beto in case murimo yu yukonekana ndene Meru. Na kwenda kwira ntu wa Meru mwanka thai murimo yu yote Meru, lakini o mwanka twithuranire njira mwanya nikenda twithwa twi tayari nikenda ria yugomba kwiya tukethwa twithuranirite tukwaria mantu maingi muno na inkuria antu bonthe ba Meru bonthe tuwatanire nontu ndwe kurwana murimo yu itumbwa ni muntu umwe inkuria antu bonthe ba Meru tuwatanire, especially baba kwende into mwanya mwanya matunda ya kuma miundene itubauria bonthe mbere beto twa matunda sukuma na biu bingi mundene muntu akamba kuthambia njara bangi nabo baba kwenda matunda thokone cietu itubauria ibethire bena njira ya kuthambia customers njara cio mbere bawata into weta kinya muntu umwe witikirwo kuwata into bia bikwenda thokone atithambite njara nontu nukuri muntu neta kuwata wata hapa na pala kwa nkendaki mbere tikirwo kuwata na thambie njara na uria barikia kwirwa kinya antu betu pa matatu iria sector transport kinya boito kubauria ni bethire bena njira ya kuthambia customers njara na nyumbene thacio goro bethire bena njira ya kuthambia ngari cio tharali ni kenda tumba kwinga murimo yu utike kuya kwetu.
If Meru County is hit by the virus, then it will affect, it might come to you. So this is not a responsibility for the county commissioner, for the CEC member for health, or for the county government per se. It is ours. It's our responsibility, including the members of the fourth estate. And from now, it is important that we all disseminate information that is accurate. And as a committee, we have agreed that it will be one source of information, because there are also cons of ethics to deal with such calamities when they strike. So I know we shall be getting a lot of reports. Sijui someone saying I'm an officer in charge of health in this capacity, I'm in charge of this and this. So please, for heaven's sake, also the members of the press, you need to assist us so that we can combat and ensure there is no virus in Meru County. So in essence, we have agreed that the only source of credible information pertaining this scourge will be from the CC member for health. So each one of us, and it is important that all the members of staff, all cadres of staff get this, be it from the county government or the national government, that if we have any information, like what we are being asked now, of a case that we are not even aware of, those rumors. If you have anything, channel it through to the office of the CEC member for health. Then they are working with the county commissioner. From there, then they will be able to relay the same at the national level, so that we have a very, very accurate information that we report.